Hello and welcome to this tutorial series covering how to use Flix as a story artist. If you're unfamiliar with Flix or just want to learn more, then this series will go through the basics and highlight some of the useful tools available for storyboarding. The first 2 episodes will go through setting up Flix, and this includes setting a project and understanding how permissions work. We will then focus on the use of Photoshop with Flix and give an overview of the tools available with that integration. We will next learn how we can use Flix to store and version your work coming from Storyboard Pro, as well as understand how you can then push back changes from Flix to Storyboard Pro. Finally, the last episode will cover other Flix tools, including panel organization, communication, and other useful features. By the end of the series, we will have learned the key Flix tools available for story artists.